Hello, today I'm going to go over how to get to eJournals. This is the main page for the CWC Library website. In order to get to eJournals, you are going to go under Online Resources and click on Search eJournals. This is going to pop up a new page. Searching this way is really good if you know the specific title that you are looking for. So you can look for journal titles, books, and videos. And you can have equalizers containing all words, ISBN, or other things. So like I said, this is really good for if you are looking for a specific journal, article, anything like that. And it's looking for a journal specifically, okay? Or for a book. Down here, you can browse by title and you can browse by subject. I would suggest browsing by subject, so we'll click on this one. You can see these are some subcategories that pop up. We'll go into arts and crafts, and then these are some journals that pop up. Okay, so these are from many different areas, and what it's going to ask you to do is click into them using these buttons. It's going to ask you for your username and password. Your username is anything before the @ symbol for your CWC email, and your password is your normal password. You'll log in, and then you'll get access to what we just clicked on. You can see at the top, you have all these different options. You can add it to a folder. You can save the pages. You can email the pages to yourself, which is great. So if you are interested in it, but you don't want to read it right now, you can do that. Inside it, you can export it so you can download it onto your computer. You can see this is 1,000 ideas by 100 fashion designers. So maybe this is of interest to you. Over here on the side, you can see these are all the people that are associated with the book. And this will come up with any thing that you click on. It will have filters over within it. You can also see you can search within this. So if you're looking for a specific thing, you can click that. And then you can also do notes. You can add a note and then you can print that out. That's kind of cool. Okay, so this is just another way of getting to the databases that you may want. Like I said, this is going to be for if you already know the title of what you're looking for, if you just need a little bit of help, maybe using these subject headers. You'll see I just clicked on philosophy and religion, same thing. Maybe we're going for ethics, and it'll give you some information here. Always just click on these down here. The first time it's going to ask you to log in. After that, it probably won't. And this one has all the resources here. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. We have so many videos online on the CWC website regarding research, writing, and citations. If you ever have questions, please don't hesitate to come into the library and ask a librarian for some help. We are always willing to help, and no question is too small. We hope to see you in the library soon. Have a great day.